Hello everyone. Today VXDOS is introducing the latest 2026 car key programming tools and ECU cloning tools for European vehicles. Here's your new profit engine, the Launch XPROG5. This isn't just a car key programmer, it's your complete ECU, IMO and car key programming 3-in-1 solution. Launch XPROG5 comes from VXDOS.com with three main functions: ECU clone, IMO prog, car key programming. Whether operating flexibly on a Launch X431 pad or performing deep ECU cloning and reading/writing via PC, the Launch XPROG5 delivers unprecedented smoothness and efficiency. Launch XPROG5 support ECU clone and IMO prog for VW, Porsche, and Audi etc. most latest European cars. ECU clone. Faced with an all-key lost situation? Need to add a new key? Don't panic, it features powerful chip recognition, generation capabilities, and a massive remote key database, making every key programming precise, saving you time and effort. Launch XPROG5 can generate original key as dealers such as VW. Launch XPROG5 key programming function include all car key information reading, frequency detection, chip identification. The wide vehicle coverage database contain all newest European cars, like VW Golf MQB5, Audi, even the BYD remote key information. Here is VXDOS.com summarized Launch XPROG5 features. Hope this helped mechanic learn more. Expand your business capabilities and elevate your shop's core competitiveness. Starting right now.